that is full carbon fiber. Another day, another box at Vulcan Alpha that we are going to unbox. Well, this is actually something very exciting that has arrived. The box already gives it away. Tillet racing seats. Now, there are supposed to be 2 seats.
I really hope so.
Yes, because the box actually looks very small. Lap of a scale. How tall are you?
180.
180. That's the speed I like doing in miles per hour. Anyway, maybe those seats will make sure that the Speedster / VXR 220 is going to get off the jacks.
We're waiting for uprights.
Yeah, we're waiting for uprights to install the brakes and also the suspension. But in any case, let's unbox and see what's inside. Yeah. Ooh. Bye.
I think it's 2 seats.
You think?
I have a hunch.
Yeah, I hope. Ooh.
The rails.
So when you're saying my car is on rails, are those rails?
The seats on rails.
So that's next level.
Ooh, they're light.
Do lat. That's not a lat. Come on, don't throw it.
Lat?
Yeah, lat raises. Yeah. Hey. Are we ready?
So this is for when you go on vacation, you want to bring it with you. You can. No? Okay. Stop it.
Let's go.
The reveal.
Da 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 da. Oh yeah. You know, as a kid, we used to have like these. It's probably like a very Russian thing. Like sack races.
Oh, with a potato.
Yeah. Well, you do the second one. I'll check for this.
Oh yes.
Yes. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ta-da!
Ooh. That's
This goes to here.
on the other way.
On the other way. And then this goes there.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Dude, super lightweight.
Yeah. Ah, we have new headrests.
Yeah.
They're not.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Dude, that's sick.
Yeah. It goes good with the livery.
Very, yes. Okay, while Lapo is assembling the rails, let me tell you about those seats. These are Tillet B6 Creamer. They also have the normal B6, and the difference is this has FIA homologation. This means extra safe for racing. I don't know if we're going to be entering the Speedster because that's what the seats are for, into racing, but who knows. The best part about those seats is the weight. Look, I'm holding with my hand. We've shown already that Lapo can do lateral raises. I haven't been to the gym for a while, but can I still do it? That's cheating. Oops. But yeah, 6 kilos is actually not that bad. So the weight is of course an advantage, but you might be thinking like, all right, is this actually comfortable? Well, first of all, of course, for track, we do not really care about comfort to an extent, but these seats actually are comfortable. I know lots of fellow motorsport enthusiasts, even also some YouTubers have them. Auto Alex has a lot of I think he has Tillets in Phil and other cars, and he's doing long road trips with them, and that's not a problem. The reason why I went for them is because lightness is everything. The best mod you can do to your car is take out the weight, and with the seats, even on a Speedster, you can help out a lot. I'm looking forward to installing them. I'm looking forward to testing them out, but I think we'll have to wait. How long do we need to wait for the uprights?
Probably in a week.
So, week, then probably another week of installation, then the track is closed for a week for 24 hours of Nürburgring. So somewhere in June, we'll be able to try out those seats in motion in the car. Stay tuned for the installation video. Let's now show you what's been happening today here at the Nürburgring. And there was actually another car featuring a Tillet seat that stopped by. That confirms the fact that those seats are actually very comfortable for long-term trips. Alright, we're gonna clean up and you enjoy the rest of the vlog. Now it's early in the morning, 8 o'clock. We're not going to be the first ones on the track. It's also not the car we'll be taking out. It's actually a car we drove last year. It was orange back then, now it's wrapped in, I think it's Miami blue or Riviera blue, or who cares, it's a very beautiful shade of blue. So Kevin lent us his car so we can do some scanning, because we have a kit in development based on a customer request for a 991.2, which will have quite an aggressive front splitter and of course also one of our wings, but from that later on. in like what, 2 months or so. Yeah, that's when we're gonna have because the wings we already have. Now we're gonna have the mounts for it, and then the splitter will take a tiny little bit. And then here we have a visitor. Look at that fancy license plate. And we'll be taking this car out for a lap. Pilot Sport 4S. And for the rest, I mean, what else do you want to know? Nana 1.1. Beautiful, beautiful plate game, beautiful car. Give Jacob a follow because he has big YouTubes, big Instagrams, and it should be good fun. You should come out, check out the car outside. Actually, you too, Lapo. Yeah. Look at that E36. Ah, yeah, of course, yes. But look at the seat. Look at the seat. And this is actually the perfect example why it fits in a Crown and also in a Speedster. Oh, we can have a look actually here. Yeah. You're an absolute unit of a helping person who brought this emergency orange duct tape that we're gonna put onto here, because the boost pipe kind of came off, or like whatever pipe that was, it decided like to go, and then the car died and we had to push it, so it's going to be a fun content. Look at that!
I can't park there, mate.
Can I not?
No.
Well, I'm gonna watch you install that while I'm gonna eat my ice cream. Fixed.
And he's got ice cream.
And I got an ice cream. Fantastic. This video was definitely not sponsored by Nogger, but if you want to, you can reach out. Or you can just buy them at Devil's Diner. Fantastic. Good alternative to Magnum Almond that I actually wanted. Magnum can also reach out to me. One thing I want to show you, since now you can only enter here if you have done a lap, so after you've done a lap you can come onto here. It's not really regulated, and on top people do not really, or the marshals do not really care whether people are blocking traffic, as long as everyone parked and there is just like one way through. So no marshals are here, and therefore I can see that those guys really want to get out, but they are being blocked by this GT3. So not really convenient. I think it definitely misses some Bernd and Margaret Ordnung, so the marshals that retired last year. That would have been nice, yeah. So now it's a bit of a mess. Bit of a mess. There's Kevin with the Porsche that we used to scan last night. We fixed the car, and it would be a great opportunity to do some car spotting. I'm gonna give it to Gio so he can film something nice. Here's fantastic edit. Yep, that is full carbon fiber, and I'll be driving it tomorrow on the track day. That's insane. I mean, not as insane of course as the Greek E36, but a good second. Maybe one day Gio will let me drive his car, but that's amazing. Like, I've never seen a full carbon fiber. It's very cool that he came to take some inspiration from your E36 for the build. The wheels, I think the E90 wheels, we should definitely like, would look good on the car.
Yeah,
very nice.
I can swap if you want to.
I love how friendly you are. Amazing. If you have some build and you need some advice for E36 builds, let us know. We'll happily sort you out. Now I will be going to Agnesenhof, an amazing restaurant at the Nürburgring in Baweiler, because there's the registration for Snelle Schwaben Track Day, and their barbecue is amazing. They have fresh deer meat. They actually hunt deer here locally themselves. And oh yeah, race clutch live. So yeah, let's go have a look and have some food shots. We have arrived at Agnesenhof. So, ooh, look at that, 810R. And that actually belongs to Snelle Schwaben organization. And lots of Porsches, but most importantly, let's check out the barbecue. Bye. Bye. Do you have deer?
Ja, natuurlijk.
Amazing. Ah yes, the briefing, fantastic. Got the driver's band and now I can get some snacks. What we're going for? Deer. Deer, 100%.
Oh, they have like chicken pieces.
Oh yeah, they're amazing.
Maybe some sausage.
Sausage. Und dann Hirsch.
Zweimal Garnelen.
Ja. Und Lamm.
Lamm, natürlich.
Eine. Ja.
Haben wir hier.
Ja, wunderschön.
Gerne.
Danke.
Mega. Mega. Danke. Wow, that's next level. Enjoy, enjoy. More deer. Oh dear. They were making oh dear jokes? No. Are you showing off?
Yeah, the big rod.
He's trying to scare me.
Big rod action at past midnight. Some exciting scanning action is happening of a car that I've driven, and you will see a video on that later on. And also a lot more projects with this car. Stay tuned for more on a sick collab with G-Tech Motors. What? I'm sleeping. I need to sleep. G-Tech Motor Works. Yes. Because yeah, nap time. Anyway, off to the track day in a few hours and some driving and a lot more. So thanks for watching. Bye.